Welcome back to Ashi's Delicacy. Today I like to share the recipe of Hyderabadi brinjal curry, baigan ka bharta. Let's get started. In a pan, roast 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 3 teaspoon of coriander seeds, handful of peanuts, 2 tablespoon of poppy seeds and 6 red chilies. Now add whole garam masala and 15 cashew nuts. Add 2 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 4 tablespoon of coconut powder. Mix thoroughly, roast it well. In a pan, add 2 teaspoon of oil. When oil heats, add the 2 big chopped onions. Fry the onion until it softens. Now add 2 big chopped tomatoes. Fry well and let it cool for room temperature. Grind the dry masala. Now grind fried onion, tomatoes with the grinded masala together. And now the ground masala is ready. Keep aside. To grounded masala, add 1 teaspoon of salt, mix well and keep aside. Cut the brinjal almost into 4. Don't remove the green tail of the brinjal. While cutting the brinjal, check carefully worms will be inside the brinjal. Don't use the brinjal if it has worms. Fill the grounded masala inside the brinjal. Fill the masala all the sides and keep aside. Similarly, fill all the brinjals one by one and keep aside. In a pan, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. When oil heats, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 red chilies, few curry leaves. Roast it well. After saute, add all the brinjals one by one in a pan and fry well. Flip the brinjals carefully so that all the sides of the brinjals roast well. Roast well for 2 minutes. Now add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and saute. Saute in a low flame and the aroma of ginger garlic paste comes out. Add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder and saute. Now add all the grounded masala, mix it well. And I saute all the left out masala. Saute 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Soak tamarind in water for 10 minutes. Mash it and filter the water and mix in this. Add salt to taste and 4 cups of water. Cook on high flame. Now close the lid. Cook on high flame. Garnish with coriander leaves and green chilies and garam masala. Again close the lid and cook for some time till the brinjal done. Now take one brinjal and check. If it's not done, cook some more time. Again check the brinjal. If brinjal is soft, turn off the flame. Now your super delicious brinjal curry is ready. Eat with either biryani, pulao, chapati or naan. If you wanna support my channel, like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. Thanks for watching.